Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Justin. In this video, I'm going to show a simple method of checkmating with the queen. It involves 3 steps. The first is to create a box by moving the queen anywhere. The queen automatically restricts the enemy king in this box. Step 2 is to push the king to a corner, and that's achieved by copying the movement of the king. So in this case, the king moved upwards, we do the same. But in some cases, we can make the box smaller by not copying, but moving a knight's jump away from the king. So sometimes that occurs automatically at the start, sometimes we do it ourselves. So here we go diagonally, which is a knight's jump, 2-1 or 1-2 away from the king. And now we continue copying. So diagonally this way, we copy. I'm playing against Stockfish, so it's thinking a little bit. Should have played against myself to make it quicker. So we copy and keep copying, and each time the box obviously gets a lot smaller and the king gets closer to a corner. So we copy, thinking. Okay, now it's stuck on the edge of the board, which means it has very limited number of squares to follow, to move between. We copy again, but now we don't copy because we need to leave the king with 2 squares to move between. If we were to copy, it would be stalemate because the enemy king would have no legal moves, but it wouldn't be in check and it would be a draw. So we don't copy here because we need to leave the king with 2 squares. Step 3, the final step, is to bring the king closer because the king is required to support the queen in giving checkmate. So black can't do anything except alternate. We bring the king as close as possible to the corner, here or here. And after the black's next move, we have 3 different checkmates available. So all 3 moves are checkmate. Queen here, for example. The king protects the queen, and the queen gives checkmate. There is one strange situation, not so strange, very logical. But sometimes when we're playing fast, we forget that in this position, if black were to move here, which I can't do for some reason, but we don't copy. It's white to move, okay. So if black were to move here, we don't copy because that would be stalemate. Instead, we move the queen to the second last rank, making sure that the enemy king has 2 squares always to move between. And that's it, 3 steps. Hope that was simple and clear. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this or if this video was useful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.